Hi, welcome to Eva Trades. This is day number 2 of the $100,000 challenge, and we're doing it right now. So day 1, I didn't hit the daily goal. For some reason, I was thinking in my little mind that it was a $1,000 target. That's not correct. It's a $1,000 risk, but it's a $2,000 target. So my target for each day of this $100,000 challenge is $2,000. But I came close. $1,967 on day 1. So here we go with day 2. Let's try to add to that sum if we can. We have a gap scan here. It is 6:25 in the morning on July 20th for the simulator. The simulator is used to backtest strategies. And that is what I'm doing today. So DRCT is the leading gapper, gapping up 71%, which is great. That's awesome. And the volume and the float both look good. The chart looks good. Not a lot of consolidation yet, so not too many levels to play off of here. I'll probably have to keep an eye on the 1 minute time frame because I don't have much to go on with the 5 minute. Some pretty high red volume here on this little doji candle. All right, so next up we have SDIG. Excuse me. So SDIG here, it's a weird looking one. I'm not sure about it. Just gonna put that line there. Whoops. Whoopsie. There, that's where I want it. And I'm gonna watch this. The thing that's weird about it is all of these wicks. It's almost like a lower volume stock, and I guess it is a little lower volume right now. What did the gap scan shows? It's traded 11 million shares this morning, so maybe it had a lot of volume early on. Well, we'll see what happens when the bell rings, and we'll certainly get some more volume coming into it then. And TBLT, that was a little further down on the gap scan, gapping up 11%. Doesn't have a lot of volume on that one, but it certainly looks a little bit better than SDIG. It's a $3.43 stock, and the float is 2 mil, which is pretty nice. Coming up to the high of day, high of pre-market, I should say. Right here, bulls want to get over that. Looks like we did peek over it just a bit. That's 350 right there. So here on the hourly, you have an inside bar. So maybe due for some consolidation here on SDIG. But we have been consolidating on the 15 minute for some time now, with a nice little equilibrium pattern. And this is all I got, just these 3 stocks. I'm going to set my stop loss parameters and get ready for the market open. Okay, I'm all set. I'm ready to go. Rock and roll. Yeah, I was going to look at the stock market this morning and kind of see. Maybe we'll look at it after I'm done trading and see if it's doing anything this morning. I haven't even checked. I'm not trading the live market this morning like I was yesterday morning, but I still like to try to keep an eye on what's going on with the stock world. And we did put in an hourly higher low and then broke through the highs, but could not hold. So getting rejected right now, thus far yesterday, getting rejected in this area. So pulling back again, maybe bulls make another attempt at it today. We'll see how that goes. Still plenty of room on this daily to pull back and consolidate. Put it into your room. Let's get back over to the simulator. We have about 10 seconds till the market open. I'll draw my line down here on that 5-minute candle. And here we go. And tally ho! Can't take a trade on that first 1 minute, so I gotta wait. TBLT coming up to that high again, that 350 level. I wonder if it's gonna break it this time. You know? There's a nice break. I was hoping it would wait a little bit and let me get in it. So let's see if I get a pullback to around 350 there on this next candle. I gotta widen my stop parameter out here just a little bit. Okay, here we go. Get ready. Pulling back there. I want to see it pull back a little more so I can jump in it again. There we go. Now let's see if it comes back more and stops me out on that first order, but hopefully not. Yeah, really would love to have seen it break already. Getting in over there. Also on DRCT. Coming up against $3 on DRCT. I'm jumping in again here. I got stopped out on that first order on the TBLT. Sold half over here on DRCT. I'll look to add there on DRCT. Trying to manage 2 trades at the same time is a little tricky. Can be very tricky. I'm taking my profit here on TBLT. I'm out there. I was down 1,300 on it, and now I'm up 200. Would like to have held it for the breakthrough 360, but being that I was red on it, I needed to get out with some profit. So DRCT struggling here at $3. Let's see, can we break through and hold? I'm going to take some profit there. And I'm going to take a little more profit there, and I'm going to regroup here. So I'm up right now $750. I will buy a pullback here on DRCT right there. So I'm in there. Taking some profit right there. I'm going to hold this second part of it. See if we get a breakthrough 3. Can it break 3? I'm out right there. I saw that red and decided to jump back out of it. I'm going to try it again over here on TBLT. Taking half profit there. Come on, TBLT. So I made a little bit on that. Oh, and there she goes. All right. I'm going to stand back and watch. Let me take a look at the high of day momentum scanner. We've got Riot. That's a Bitcoin sympathy stock. I don't know what to think about DRCT here. It's really struggling at that $3 level. I kind of don't want to buy it unless it pulls back a little more. I could try it there. But I don't know. That might have been a little too early still. Yeah, I think it probably was. But we'll see. Yeah. Just because, so I sold it there for a small profit, just because I really want to get in lower. If it breaks here, I'm going to be like, God damn it. No, I'm not going to be like that upset about it, but let's wait. Let's let it pull back. It already kind of pulled back to 274 though. I was going to say, let's let it pull back to 274. It's really struggling here. I would have liked to have seen it break 3 already. Let's see, what's it going to do? Is it going to go? No? You going to poop out on us there? DRCT, come on. I'm sitting at $1,450 on the morning so far. Let's see if it drops. Let's see if it drops here. What, TBLT just making some moves. It's going to try $3 again. Is it going to break? Oh, there it went. Taking a chance there, but I'm gonna take that chance. Well, you know, this is one of those stocks that I typically don't trade very well, and there it goes. Now I'll buy the pullback on that. Is that 1 minute candle is going to be closing soon? So it's showing a little bit of strength. Pulling back over there on TBLT. Now I want to see a breakthrough 320 on DRCT. Maybe a pullback back test of $3 here. I tried to buy the back test, but I bought it a little too late. See the breakthrough 320 now. This isn't moving like a low float stock. Buying TBLT over there, taking some profit, taking some more profit. Boy, really struggling here. Really struggling on DRCT. Nice recovery though on TBLT so far on that 1 minute time frame. So that's a kind of a little bull flag here, but on DRCT, taking a long time to get going though. I'm going to sell a little more there. I don't like it. I'm going to get out the rest there. So taking some losses. I just don't like it. It's not trading like a stock that I typically trade. I'm looking more for a drop. I want to see some stop losses get triggered here. Let's see if TBLT's got some muscle. Got a new 5-minute candle coming up. So I'm going to go ahead and get back out, seeing that 5-minute candle coming up. But I do like the 1 minute on TBLT. I could have held that, but anytime you get a new 5-minute candle, sometimes you're going to get a pullback. So thought I'd wait and see if it'd come back to the EMA a little bit before breaking out like that. It didn't. That's okay. Got an equilibrium possibility on TBLT. You got the high of the move and then the low of the pullback here. Still looking for a drop here on DRCT. I'll try it there. See if we get that move higher now from here. I'm going to move my stop loss up kind of tight here. Might pull back a little more, huh? So I'm looking for a pullback on TBLT. I would love to buy a dip on it. Or is it just going to break straight through? Gosh, I still just don't like the way that's doing that. So I got back out, break even. This is definitely a battle here today. How far back is he going to come, do you think? I'll take a starter position there, and then I'll add if it drops more on DRCT. So I'm adding there. Oh, I sold SDIG. It said I was up 600 bucks, but when I sold it, I was back at 0. So that's weird. Okay. Well, I don't really like that red candle on DRCT here, but now I'm in with a pretty large share size. So I'm going to hold that. We're below $3. There's my pullback on TBLT. I'm also getting in on a pullback here on SDIG. Coming up to that pink line on SDIG, I'm going to sell half. I'm going to sell the other half there. I'm going to get out over here on some of these others, excuse me. Kind of losing my voice a little bit there. So if you want to take a look at my my P&L here, this is really a battle today. Up 1,800 here. Down 850, up 400. So I'm still sitting at around $1,400 on the day. I haven't been able to quite get to that daily goal. So now I'm buying TBLT there. What time is it? Oh, that 5-minute candle is going to close like that. Nope, I'm back out again. I didn't like that. I didn't realize we were so far along on that 5-minute candle. We have that red candle like that. I'm not a fan of that. I am a fan of buying off the VWAP on the 1 minute here and this equilibrium. So for the moment, there's a bear flag here on DRCT, but well, I'm sitting at $1,750 on the day, $1,750, and I could just opt to call it a day there, but this has been such a battle. I'm worried that I'm going to start giving back profits when I'm this close to my daily goal, but I would like to get to that daily goal, so I guess I'll just keep an eye on things here. It's a nice momentum day. What would be a good trade? Let's see here. SDIG breaking over 285 and 288. Notice the kind of almost head and shoulders look to DRCT. So some really nice volume on this stock. Whoops. So I took an entry there. It's not gonna go. If it's not going right away, I'm just gonna hop back out. So see, giving back some profit there. So I'm gonna buy the dip here on DRCT. It's pulling, it's consolidating further on the 5-minute there. But oh, look at that nice breakout here. See if we can get over $3. There we go. That one's difficult. Because it was showing me I had $2,500 in profit, and then when I sold it, I only had $1,800. So that's not the first time that's happened on this stock. I'm going to buy a dip there to hold $3. I really need to widen my stop parameter, I think, on this one. You notice my stop loss is pretty tight there. I'm at risk of getting stopped out on that. And I'm selling that just because I don't want it to come back down against me. I'm going to widen my stop loss parameter now. I'm going to actually jump back out over here on DRCT. I'm going to stop right there. Just because of the way this day has been, I am actually sitting at my daily goal right now. I'm right at $2,000, right on the money. Down 800, up 800. So that zeroes those out, and then this is 2,000. What a wild, crazy day. My God. And I like this equilibrium we have going on here with this inside bar. I just didn't like that 5-minute candle, so it because I was in down here, right at the bottom of that candle, but this new candle started forming, and it's like a lot of times you see a candle like that, the next one's going to drop even further. So the odds were not in my favor, in my opinion, so I got back out. I'm always cautious. So yeah, it's not really the type of equilibrium that I normally would like to see. And boy, DRCT just not making that move up yet. It is basing a little bit here, but boy, the bulls just aren't buying the dips here, not pushing the price back up yet. I think my favorite trade of the day was when this candle dropped down, because when it was over here, I was waiting for that drop, and it happened. And I jumped in it a couple of times, but I sold too soon. And it actually made a nice move back up. But SDIG, the big winner on the day, doing really well on SDIG, up $2,000 on that stock. So there we have it. Thank you for joining me today. This has been Eva Trades, and I hope the rest of your day goes well. Be careful today trading in the stock market. It looks like things are kind of going sideways a little bit here. It's a little bit of an equilibrium, you know, that we broke bullish, but then the bears slapped the price back down. But will we form an hourly higher low here and try to get back up over that level? Well, we'll see. Sideways action right now on a play that possibly could see some consolidation after this nice move up on the daily. I think there is a gap fill down to 368.47, so be aware of that. That is the 4 hour I was looking at there. That's interesting. Let's look at the 4 hour. Yeah, okay. So that's gonna do it for me. Thanks again, and we will talk to you tomorrow morning. Goodbye.